Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and this guide assumes you already signed into your account. Make sure you're logged in or some steps may not work as expected. So, you're having issues with Microsoft Office 365 Copilot? Whether it's slow response times, Copilot not generating suggestions, or not integrating video apps properly, here's how to resolve. First of all, try to restart the Office app. Just like that. Second one is the check Copilot permissions. And try like this. And go back here. The third option is to reinstall Office apps. And go back to the application. If even this option didn't help you, try to go and check for service interruptions. So now we are going to the down detector. And search for Office 365. So as you can see, there was a big server shutdowns for less 24 hours, but for now it's not really bad. So if this isn't an issue, the last two steps you can do is to check your internet connection, and if it's stabilized, just try to restart your phone and it should help you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.